Stop wasting time bridging gaps between tools. Whether you're a rep chasing quota or a CEO driving growth, Real Leads Finder Pro gives you the whole story every time. So you can focus on one thing: scaling your business. With weekly training, live support, and constant access to tutorials, courses, and marketing tips, we make sure you never just own a tool. You own a full all-in-one marketing system. Real Leads Finder Pro automates follow-ups and lead segmentation, empowering you to scale smarter, not harder. Automatically tracks your contacts' activity, identifies cold, warm, and hot leads, whether they visited your website, opened that email, or book an appointment. It's all right here in one place, keeping you far more organized than ever before.